Here we have a selection of lavenders which have had one flush of flowering, and we've got more coming through. So what we want to do is to deadhead them, and this will stop the plant from wasting energy producing seed, and more energy will be spent on creating flowers. So by just taking the time to deadhead and kind of cutting the stem above a growing point where you've got two side shoots, will encourage a longer flowering period, and it will also keep a nice compact habit with your lavender as well, because they do tend to get a bit straggly. And the nice thing about lavender is it does smell lovely, so you can take the stems in the house and dry them or something. There we are, like that.